Alright. Alright.
Where's the package?
So this has been planned for 2 months.
And we had to sit on David to get him to keep it a secret.
Would you have guessed, Ted? Would you have guessed?
I had an idea.
Did you really?
Every time he texts me, I'm like, he texted me last night when I was sitting in the airport.
Oh no!
That's the reason for that.
I didn't think you could ever guess. I couldn't have guessed.
It's been a long time coming.
Yeah.
You're squeezing the life out of me. It's great.
He ain't gonna let you go, is he?
You better give that one a hug.
Keep a secret for 2 months now.
He's trying to get it together.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Ted.
I gotta get some air.
I just have to wait on your hug. He can't hold it together.
I couldn't breathe.
I'm sorry. Hi, Jessica. I'm Pam, sweetie. I won't hug you quite sometime. Hey, baby.
Okay.
Oh, look at you. You're kitty got a funny thing.
Sweetie, how you doing?
I'm doing
I'm
good.
glad you made it this trip.
Yeah, I had to plan this trip like back in September. And even then,
It was September. And, yeah, I just chopped my hair.
You chop mine too.
Yep, she's your daughter. She likes tattoos, Ted.
My legs are covered too. I have a lot. But yeah, he sent me a letter and he's like, he wasn't sure if it was me or not. So I called him like right after I got the letter. I called him and he's like, so I have the right desk out. I'm like, yeah. And he's like, so I was thinking about buying you a round trip ticket to come out here. I'm like, okay. So he planned this whole thing, and we both managed to keep it a secret. Even though the whole Facebook world knows.
I'm gonna tell you. I kind of suspected it.
how did you suspect it?
Yeah, how did you suspect
Because you
it?
know that I ain't into expensive stuff. And when these guys said that y'all spend a lot of money.
Hey, down. Get down. Get down.
Well, I guess I should have told him it cost $1.
Well, no,
It wasn't as expensive as I thought it would be. It was a lot cheaper than what I
but you
thought.
got quite quiet on me.
Yeah.
She got quite quiet on me.
I
Oh.
couldn't because every time you're like, I wish I could see you. I'm like,
That one time I texted her, I just got me told you, I was upset anyway on stuff anyway. I found some paperwork in the hospital stuff, you know. And talked to you and I worried about all of you really. Both of you got quiet. Nobody answered nothing. And I said,
we suck at keeping secrets.
well, I can feel you. I feel you close to me. I mean, I just.
I guess that would have been his ultimate gift. Yeah, that is, I figured maybe David's getting me my ultimate gift.
I thought to myself, you know, it's like I told you on the phone, all I want for kids to get, you know. That's all I want. And, here we go again.
You don't have to go outside and cry. You cried here.
You're going to have to chase him to get your hug, David, but I think he really likes your gift.
You cried, Mama.
You go outside. son.
Oh, bless him. Jessica, you're not allergic to smoke, are you?
Oh no, I slept off.
Okay. Freddie, I don't even ask you.
I got it on film. He just a booger.
Huh?
I got Ted hugging David.
Good.